made it, y'all. We are going to Colombia.
We in Colombia,
Port, hotel, club, another club, dinner.
We made it.
Next stop, we're Cartagena.
This summer love. Yeah. AOB. Tell them what time it is. Let's go.
Out of all the guys that approached me, walking up to me like they know me, you were the one that stayed aside, waited a while, and took your time. You don't know how impressing your curiosity was to me. It was the 4th day of July. Looked in my eyes and saw that I more than just a man. I needed a friend, someone I can talk to, someone who really listens.
Hey, y'all. We made it. Y'all, we hope we are at the right gate. We have been searching and searching and searching, and we know it's in the B. Somewhere in the B.
Well, we thought it was B48.
We did. We did. We thought.
And then we showed up and the guy said B50.
B50.
We're at B50 and there's nothing. There's no sign.
No sign. No sign. Just vibes. Just people.
Just vibes.
People. We made it, y'all. We are going to Colombia for the weekend. So it's going to be a vibe. We're so excited. And we have we got like an hour. Ooh. Yeah, we got like an hour until we start boarding. So we're just going to chill because one thing we don't play with is what?
Us?
The airport. Not us.
Like, where are we headed? It's too early, okay?
It is too early. It's too early. It is
How early
literally 4:53.
we should be here.
Yeah. Let me see where they are. Oh, they're here. Oh, I'm excited to see Amara.
I know. We need to record that.
We do. Okay, y'all. We will be back later.
See you in Bogota.
Is that how you say it?
So, it probably has a what's the no, you were saying Bogota.
Bogota. No, I said Bogota. You know what we should have got? Y'all.
Translator?
That too. But priority boarding?
I'm not paying extra for that.
No, girl, I have a trick. See, I can't tell y'all. I could tell you. You know what? I'm gonna cut the camera. All right, so I'm gonna go get something to eat because. Okay, I'll be back. Y'all, I'm hungry. Like, I am starving. I cannot. First off, the first flight is 5 hours. 5 hours without food? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I don't think so. So I'm going to get some food. So they have a Pete's coffee. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do Chick-fil-A. I think I'm gonna do Chick-fil-A. If it's open, oh my gosh. Is it open? I cannot do Pete's coffee. I don't even know how people drink coffee at like 5 o'clock in the morning. They're not open. I have to do Pete's coffee. Chick-fil-A. It is literally 5:10. What time are they planning on opening? Well, I guess that leaves Pete's coffee. I'm about to ask Chick-fil-A what time are they opening because I don't want Pete's coffee. I don't want Pete's coffee. Excuse me. What time do y'all open? 6 minutes. 6. Oh my gosh, I won't be here. I'm pissed. I will not be here by 6, y'all. My flight literally boards at 5:50. Okay, so I'm just gonna get me a turkey sandwich for now because Chick-fil-A doesn't open until 6. I'm not gonna be here. I'm going to be on my flight to Bogota. I think that's how you say it. So yeah, I guess we'll be getting the turkey sandwich, whatever. I had to settle, and I hate settling, but it's okay. It's okay. So I ended up getting a freaking sandwich, a turkey sandwich at 5 o'clock in the morning. But it's okay. It's okay because I'm going to eat it later. So, yeah. No, that is alarming. So I lied. I actually am going to eat it right now. Girl, I was walking back. I was like, I'm not going to eat this. I'm going to wait. No, we're eating. Look at the deliciousness. I need somebody to get that. I have my water. Oh, y'all, look at Kayla's overnight oats. These look so good. How do I attack it? We made it to the flight.
Hi! Let's go, vamos! Exhausted.
Y'all, it's still hot. Let me. Oh, let me post a little Instagram. Hold on. We're about to be out. Do you hear me? Out. And the thing is, I need to take a NyQuil because I won't be able to go to sleep unless I have a NyQuil. So I'm going to take a NyQuil.
I'm just in the club sitting sideways. Way that you looking on.
These are cute. We are in our seats. It is a little toasty, so I might end up taking this jacket off. I don't know yet. A little neck rest. I'm trying to. Okay, I think this is the most comfortable. We are about to take this NyQuil. Let me get it. Hold on.
I know you wanna vacate to a place where you could take pictures, post on Insta. Your friends say they miss you, but they don't really miss you.
We are about to go to sleep. We made it.
Next stop, Cartagena!
Period. Y'all, we almost missed our flight, honey. Look at the girl.
It's good. Let me do one.
Y'all, we made it onto our connecting flight. Let me tell you, I don't like to run through anybody. Let me put this up right here. I don't like to run through anybody's airport, okay? That's just not me, honey. But we made it. Kayla. The snack. Y'all, we have not been able to eat. We are so hungry. Like, so hungry. But the gag is, the point of it all is, we made it. And our next stop is Colombia. We made it. We in the bed.
Yeah, bus, it's real. Airport, hotel, club, another club, dinner, lunch, snack time, pool, no water, lots of water, electrolytes.
Listen, we are in Colombia for a good time, not a long time.
I want it to be a long time.
I do want it to be a long time, but it's okay.
It's okay.
We in this thing.
We made it. This is such a blessing. We pledged for.
Oh, Lord.
Okay. I don't care what nobody says. Ooh. Gracias. No, beautiful.
The man is such a gentleman, honey. Got my bags. Ah! Oh my gosh, y'all say hello to my vlog. Oh, period. Hey, vlog. So good to see you. Oh, hi. Okay, y'all, we are getting ready for night one. I never do eyeshadow. This is my look. Isn't she cute? She's like a little gold dress, and she has like these fringes at the bottom. Super cute.
Setting powder, but the girls on TikTok are like, use
Tonight's fragrance is Miu Miu. Y'all know I love me some Miu Miu. And my Miu Miu glasses. And we got Miu Miu perfume. Alright, see y'all. Look at us, y'all. We are dressed and ready. We look so good. Period. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Hey vlog!
Y'all.
Our rich line sister.
Our rich, it's the rich.
I'm with them. I asked them for $5,000. They said it's wired right now.
Oh, period.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Listen, I gotta up the antics next time. I should ask for 50. It's okay.
I should ask for 75.
We would have sent it. We would have sent it too. Shout out to Running Takeover. We in Colombia. We in Cartagena. We up.
Yeah.
Y'all don't even know what's about to go down. Shit's crazy. Shit's crazy.
You already know what it is. Look how gorgeous. It's the Golden Girls, first off.
Literally. Get into it.
Get into it. Yeah. You know what it is. They said sunset, we brought the golden hour.
The golden hour.
Yeah. Y'all know I'm with my favorite. No, she's my favorite. You know I'm with my favorite.
All the time. No.
Look at the face. Excuse me?
Help me convince her to go. Ashley! Yeah, Ashley! All right, nice distraction. Say we can leave.
The girls are in Colombia.
No matter where our lives have went since then, Lord God, you have allowed us to stay connected. We are so thankful for today. We're just so thankful for you just allowing us to fellowship, allowing us to see what true sisterhood looks like, and whatever that means for each person, Lord, I hope that you make that clear to them this weekend.
Good morning. It is day 2, y'all. Last night was a vibe. It was a vibe. It was so fun. Everybody looked so good. All my line sisters looked amazing. And we just had a ball. So we about to get ready to go down to the pool to relax, you know, just be sexy, be cute. And I will keep y'all updated. The girls are ready.
The girls are ready.
So cute.
Cartagena.
Cartagena. Wow, day two. Yeah, we are about to get some breakfast. Go to the cabana. I'm starving.
You need me because you need to see to my right. Oh my God, the way my fucking heart dropping. Good morning.
Good morning. It's day 2. Yeah, and it's about to be a whole lot.
I'm 22, so, and yesterday was the 22nd, so.
Hello.
Working last night.
You I saw. Bitch, you didn't tell me I was going to the strip club.
It was last minute. We didn't go to the club no more.
Y'all, look how good I look. Damn.
Sharing the camera.
Body tea. Guys, it is day 2. We are going to go on our walk
In the city of Colombia.
Very cutesy, very cutesy. Let's go through outfit detail. Oh, girl, you look good.
Demure.
Look at this.
Demure.
Yes, period.
Thank you. Thank you.
My turn.
Okay. I want to make sure I do this right. Okay. Period. Look at the fit. Look at the fit.
It's giving princess.
It's giving princess.
Yeah, the black one.
Honestly, Princess type Tiana.
Princess
yeah,
Tiana.
with the green. Okay. Period.
Yeah, period.
You see it?
Mwah.
Mwah.
So it's day 2. I need to go get some cash out because we're about to go on this walking tour. And I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash on me. So I need to get some cash. What is this?
It's Guinness. It's like a premium fruit.
Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
A little boy.
Look. Oh my God, I love it here. How much are we getting out?
I'm gonna get out maybe 100.
Okay. Y'all, we are hot.
Chat.
We gotta check in.
Chat. They want us to walk.
Walk where?
It's 80% humidity.
You know what? I'm gonna stand inside.
It says 80% humidity. Do you know how hot that is? Do you know? If you black with natural hair right now, you're done so. You can't. Don't come here. Don't come here.
Are we leaving?
We're talking about we about to leave.
When I see people
Jesus Christ. Come on. Damn it, chat.
Yeah, we're gonna keep the makeup really light. Hi chat, we're back. Day 3, episode 3 of Rennie Takes Cartagena. Wow, we look good. I love y'all so much. Y'all, I'm so sad. Today is the last day.
Kind of the last day for us. But it's the last day with everybody.
It's the last day for everybody.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Until next time.
Until next time.
Year 15, bigger and better.
Yeah, we're Italy.
But we should do the video.
Yeah. I really like that. Ooh, I really like that.
2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations.
Look at my beautiful girl. I have not seen her in years. It might well be a decade. Hey, we in Colombia, man! At the birthday party, man. What's going on? All right. We on a birthday party. We had a birthday party. Everything copacetic.
Everything copacetic. The best trip ever. Everything copacetic.
Say something to the camera.
Just like me and my man, i.e. Nisha, we on the island.
Viva Colombia! Viva Cartagena! Viva Colombia! We in Colombia! Come here. Yo no sé, ¿qué pasó? We got money now, I ain't gonna lie. Captain Fresh Kumar reporting for duty. Look at Paradise. Do you want some money? Yeah. Yeah. And where's the after party? Ooh. Me neither. That's why we just had to dance.
Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Elo main is child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italia, child for now, child.
How stunning is this dress? I just think she's so cute. We are about to go to our farewell dinner. It is the last event with all of us here. Earrings, dress. I just love this so much. And I'm gonna show y'all K-Way when she gets ready. But yeah, we're about to head out. Your favorite duo is back. Okay. Final fit check. Let's get a full body.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. She's gorgeous.
We're shimmering tonight.
We're shimmering tonight. Period. I love this. I love this. Y'all.
Chartreuse?
Chartreuse. Chartreuse is
the color of the year.
Chartreuse is my color of the summer.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a stunning one.
It's a stunning one.
It's a stunning one.
All right. We got to go downstairs. We're late. Love y'all. I'm going to keep y'all updated on everything.
Thanks for the trip. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us. But we're not done. So
we're going to do more of this.
We're going to do more. Yeah.
You'll see us.
Yeah.
If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day. Diamond you use my money, I go back. For your love, I go back.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yesterday was our last day. Yeah. But today's our last day.
Yeah. We're leaving tonight.
We're leaving tonight, but we're so sad that our sisters.
I know.
left.
Oh, goodness. So,
Renison, if you see this, I love you.
we love you so much. Love you
guys.
We're about to head to breakfast. It closes at 10, honey. Listen, we made it. 9:26. Thank you. Thank you. And then we're gonna go do a little bit of shopping because we want to get some stuff like to take back to the States. So we'll see how that goes. I think it'll be a cute experience. Y'all, it is our last breakfast in Cartagena. Have these delicious pancakes. Let's try them. What a blueberry? Kind of cute. This is the veggie omelet. Oh my gosh, I look so tired. I need an eye patch. Child, Rocky is taking us to get our fruit. Okay.
It's okay, I'll get them alone first. In Jamaica?
In Jamaica, maybe.
Jamaica,
yeah,
it's
right.
called Guinep.
What's the name?
Guinep.
Guinep.
Yeah, we call it. Yeah.
So you're from there?
My family's from there.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Just this. How much? That's it.